Check the starboard line.
Rope secured, Captain.
Ready for deployment on my mark.
Team Alpha, proceed 200 meters north. Confirm whale movement. Net secured. Move slowly toward the left.
Almost there, slowly now.
Rope secured on my end.
Set her down gently. The barnacles are deep here. Be careful with the scraping. I see the inflammation. Applying the antibiotic ointment.
Here, bathed in shafts of sunlight, a Caribbean reef octopus glides effortlessly.
Secure the main line. The storm is worsening.
I've got it. We need to move faster.
The whale is surfacing.
Keep the pressure steady on the flank.
Copy that. Watching the algae buildup.
Clear the debris on the starboard side. Easy now, nice and slow. Got it.
Careful with the scraper.
Got it. Moving to the next cluster.
Watch the blowhole. She's breathing.
Suction pressure is holding steady.
Vitals remain stable. Keep monitoring the flow rate.
Be careful with the pressure right there.
Okay, I got it. Moving to the next cluster.
We are making good progress on the flank. The whale is steady. Over.
Keep the area moist. Applying the sterile dressing now. Watch the vitals, making sure she's stable. keep the water flowing on the tail?
Copy that. Moving to Station 3. How are the vitals looking?
Stable for now, just keep them calm.
Okay, hold it steady.
Got it. Secure the upper edge.
We need more saline over here.
Gauze is secure.
Applying the waterproof dressing now.
Rescue animal to shore. Wound dressing is complete. Condition stable.
Copy that, RA. Monitor vitals closely. Great work, team.
Sutures are holding tight. Moving to the anterior section now.
Received. All teams remain on standby.
The sutures look clean. No signs of infection here.
Copy that. Continue monitoring vitals.
Vitals remain stable.
Straps secured. Prepare for lift.
Temperature stable. Ready for release.
We did it! Woo! Look at her go! We did it! Woo! Look at her go!
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to support more marine rescues and help us protect ocean life together.